This is my project, geometric lines in video games. A sword is one of the common things, and it's perpendicular. The definition of perpendicular is a line that meets or crosses a right angle. And this is something you would see in Mario. Two bricks between the question mark block is between two bricks. And midpoint is a point on a line segment that divides it into two equal parts, the halfway point of a line segment. And this is something from L-Sword. One of the characters could shoot a laser from their hands, and that's an example of a ray. And a ray is a line which starts at a point with given coordinates and goes off in a particular direction to infinity, possibly through a second point. This is Navi from Legend of Zelda, and Navi could count as a point. And a point is a precise location or place on a plane, usually represented by a dot. And this is a highway, and you can see those in a lot of things, in a lot of games. And it is an example of a skew line. And a skew line is two non-parallel lines in space that do not intersect. And this is like a blank map. They are common in some role-playing games. And a plane is a flat surface that is infinitely large with zero thickness. And this is Pac-Man, and the dots are in a different location, not on the same line. So it is an example of non-collinear points. And non-collinear means a set of points that do not lie on a straight line. And this is a segment, and it is the same thing as the L-Sword thing, only their powers are colliding together, so yes, it makes a segment. And a segment is a part of a line. And these two Kirby's, they sort of do look the same, so that is a example of congruent. And congruent is, the definition is equal in size and shape. And this is supposed to be a GPS. Some games do have a GPS. And it's an example of coplanar. And a coplanar is points on the same plane, and that is my project.